Hi guys, and welcome to a new Son of the Forest tutorial. In this tutorial I want to go and show you how you can find the flashlight in Sons of the Forest. It's kind of easy. Look at this map, also have it on the GPS. There you go and find the flashlight. You go and you can hear now that there is a beeping, and if you come closer to a cliff, it's getting more and more. When you are on the cliff, there will be a rope. Also, there will be a rope attached on a stone. Cut that with the axe and go left down the cliff. So go all the way left and then back to the spot where was a rope. And there we are, we get a corpse and he has a flashlight. There we go. So yeah, that's how you get the flashlight in Sons of the Forest. I hope you enjoyed the video, hope it helped, and please subscribe, like the video and comment down below. Hope I see you next time. Bye bye.